started your wide leg forward fold this morning, and I thought that maybe I could help you a little bit. So I may not have explained it the best way yesterday, but this is something my teacher Ian Finn has taught me, is with the pelvic movement, it restricts a lot of people. So if you're folding forward and tilting the pelvis this way, when you round forward, you're restricting yourself to move forward. But if you tilt the pelvis this way, when you fold forward, you have more reach. So not tipping this way and folding, tipping this way, sending the sit bones back. These little pointy bones at the bottom of the buttocks, just press them back. So in wide leg, forward fold. You're not going to go forward like this, like the Michael Jackson, forward and then down, because you're restricted, and see how my back is rounded. You're going to press back, nice long spine, send those sit bones back, tilt the pelvis back, then fold forward. Nice long spine, you might just stay here, sit there and breathe for a few moments, hold on to the feet, then inhale again, lengthen a little bit more, send those sit bones back a little bit more, then you fold a little deeper. Just like sinking into a hot bath, you never want to rush into a pose. Lengthen, breathe, and fold. Also using our biceps in this pose, gripping into the feet and helping us move forward deeper. I hope that helped a little bit. Hope to see you again before you leave. Namaste.